Welcome to the Pree Show.
We are the finalists in the Hyundai Miss Universe Jamaica pageant.
We're here at the Princess Hotels and Resorts in Hanover.
Stay tuned for this week's show.
So you've already met some of my fellow contestants. Now it's time for you to meet some of the other ladies in the 2025 Hyundai Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty and Wellness Pageant.
Zoanne, what was the reason for entering the pageant this year?
My reason for entering the pageant, I really wanted to challenge myself and I wanted to put myself out there to show what I can offer Jamaica and how I can help to make Jamaica a better place.
Talk to me about being a married woman and entering a pageant. Is it difficult to kind of balance things?
I would say yes, it is difficult, but I have a super supportive husband. He's right behind me with everything. He does more than and has been trying to learn more about pageantry so that I can be comfortable to do my best. So it is difficult, but I'm very grateful for my husband.
Well, I entered initially because I want to inspire my students because I've always been encouraging them.
Hold on, you said students, you're a teacher?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
Where do you teach?
I teach at St. Mary High School in St. Mary.
So your students are seeing you in bikini and seeing you on stage and all of that, no?
Yes, they are. You know, at first I was like a bit shy about it, but then, the competition is about embracing women and, our differences and, empowering women. And I'm sure that my students can be empowered by just me entering this competition.
So far, it has been a lot of learning lessons, honestly. I've been overcoming a lot of nuances and challenges that I feel like I really just need to break out of my shell more and embrace my aptitude as much as possible. And it's a great way to showcase my advocacy, which is body positivity. As you can see, very tall. So I got bullied a lot growing up, so I'm happy to be able to show others and inspire others that they can be just where I am today and embrace everything about them.
How was the journey in Central compared to National?
Well, it's honestly a little less serious than in comparison to this one. The stakes are much higher, and I must say I had a smoother transition compared to this one.
It's an eye-opening experience. I get to learn a lot from the different girls, so I'm just here and basking in the moment, yes.
And you're from which parish?
I am from Clarendon.
First and foremost for personal development, because in order to help the next generation of Jamaica, I have to be the best version of myself.
And what are you looking forward to most in the pageant this year?
To grow, to connect with people, make new friends, and just to flourish.
Why did you enter the pageant?
I entered mainly for self-confidence reasons and to inspire others to build theirs and step out of their comfort zone. That's my reason.
And are you enjoying the pageant so far?
Oh, of course I am. Look at the lovely ladies that I'm here with. I'm enjoying every moment of it.
I am a medical doctor at the St. Inspirational Hospital.
Why pageantry this time around?
Why pageantry? Such a great question. I want to make a change and be the change. I have grown with so much anxiety and lack of self-confidence, and I decided with this pageant this year I have to push out and do my best. And I always tell the girls, my theme for this year is Hilary Duff. This is what dreams are made of.
I love a good retro party, and just in case you missed the May 31st staging of Footloose, I have a quick recap just for you.
Yo, the good vibes, the good music, and just, the memories that they make a Footloose every time. That's why them come out, No, I never have a set list yet. I always go with the flow, go with the vibe of the people, them. Go with whatever them I feel. And sometimes, I'm just kind of crazy like that. So I'm like, I like up on the edge. I like kind of just go out of the box all the while. Because that made a difference, People dancing non-stop and having fun. It's a good time, a memorable moment. That's what it is.
Well, Footloose is always one of those great parties with great energy. The patrons always come out and ready to party. So from the patrons out and enjoying themselves from gates open, that's a vibe for me. And I feed off of the crowd energy. So that was it for me.
Yo, Footloose just mean just kick out your foot and you don't have no stress, no problem, you just a dance. And if you can't dance, you know, depend on the rhythm, you just enjoy yourself.
It's now time for our first commercial break. But we'll be right back.
And while you check out the break, we'll be checking out the Platinum Club.
It has been 20 long years since He's One JSL Rising Stars, and now singer Christopher Martin is here with us to tackle some fire questions in our Why Pree segment.
Why Pree?
Chris, we have some quick fire questions for you now, bro. You ready?
Ready.
Right.
Let's go.
First one, hip hop or R&B?
R&B. Love music, man. Love music at all times, you understand? Yeah. When you get in that mood and now for deal with the way you deal, you need love songs. Yeah, love songs, R&B is procreation music.
Reggae or dancehall?
Reggae and dancehall. Yeah, reggae and dancehall. You know
Alright.
Yeah.
You have the rules, you know, you can only pick one, you know, so you already forfeit your opportunity for pick the two of them, you know.
Reggae, I'm a dance still.
Alright.
You see me? Yeah, reggae is, because reggae is Christopher Martin. So if I go choose one, it have to be reggae.
River or beach?
River. Because with large bodies of water now, you need things where you can hold on in case of difficulties. So you don't know river of stone and...
Oh, I never done.
Alright, you see me? Yeah, you need things to hold on. So, you know, with the big old... No, river, right.
River. Alright, my boss. Football or track and field?
Football. Call me a baller.
Nike or Adidas?
Nike. It does have a better flair to me. Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Homebody, staying home or going out to touch your road?
Introverted, man. Definitely. Homebody at all times. You know what I mean? Road dangerous, you know?
True. Wife or girlfriends?
A joke. Wife. Wife, yeah, man.
Toxic or peaceful relationship?
Peaceful relationship, man.
Toxicity nice sometimes too, Chris.
No, I'm not so young for in them games.
Don't let me get caught.
Thank you very much. And you see how long I sing that song, so peaceful relationship.
Browning or dark skin?
Browning and dark skin.
People, I'm tell him earlier. When I tell him say him no more chance for choose two.
But I just tell you, browning and dark skin.
I get a black. True, you're Chris Martin. I get a black. You nah get no more, do you know?
Alright.
Slimmers or thickers?
Slim thick. You see me?
BBL or natural body?
Natural, man. At all times, man. Yeah, man, that's how God make you, you know, man. Yeah,
True.
Yeah. The superficial enhancement, it is okay. I'm not knocking it, but for me, natural. Straight.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Oxtail or curry goat?
Curry goat.
That one the easy.
Rammy. Ranking ram goat. Curry goat.
Fish or lobster?
It don't really matter to me still. I just go lobster.
Lobster?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
Corned beef
seafood. Yeah.
or mackerel?
Mackerel. Yeah, man, mackerel and white rice.
Well pepper.
Well pepper.
So, what do you think about Chris's responses? Hit us up on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and let us know what you think.
Why Pree?
We're on to our second break.
Much more when we return.
He's from the East, and this week we meet newcomer Ellie Benjamin in our Up Next segment.
But turn it on, the more money fi spend, baby just born, lock down lay off.
How long have you been doing music?
Over 20 years now, since I've been doing old music.
And how has the journey been over the 20 years?
Well, ups and down, but persistency is to try, so I keep on.
Did I listen but it passed through? Did I listen but it passed through?
What does L.A. Benjamin bring to the table musically?
L.A. Benjamin bring a unique voice to the table musically and positive message so one can relate to.
But it passed through the boy that way mother did a talk to.
What inspires your work?
My work? You know, people in the street, cause as a youth, me travel the street, you know.
And who forget the blame thing, the youth them fed up and them so frustrated.
What's the current song that you have out promoting?
Lockdown.
So your current single is called Lockdown?
Yeah, Lockdown.
And who produced Lockdown?
Indeed Records.
His father owned a sound system, so music has been in his life from an early age. We checked in with JR Stinger with this week's Mix Master segment.
JR Stinger. I'm trying to show you love.
Stinger, welcome to the show, my general. What go on?
Everything alright, man.
That is it.
Pleasure to be here, you know?
For sure. May I get to understand, say, DJing and music in your blood for a long time because your father had a sound system. Expound on that for us a bit more.
Yes, Caveman, Brave Man is my father, you know? Caveman International Sound System. So basically, I can say I was born into music. You get me?
But when did you master being a DJ?
I can say at the age of 12.
12?
Yes, at the age of 12. Well, there's always room to improve even right now, but I can say we can hold my own by the age of 12. I really start go out there and get big features at events and them things.
So are you a mixer only, or you can MC as well?
Mixer and MC, both.
Okay. What would you say are the top 5 dancehall songs going into the summer 2025?
Well, it's a hard question that still, but I think we can find at least 4. We can't promise you the 5 still, so that's alright?
Run them off.
Alright. Massacre, Mute.
Okay.
Yeah, Mute by Massacre. Then I have The Governor, Morning Sir.
Yeah.
Alright, you have Mula.
Yeah.
Mula song, it did gain attraction, but apparently
Mula.
no what happened. Yeah, R.I.P. Mula. And then, what to say, JR Stinger, them no bad.
And you have tune too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we never know your artist.
Hardcore, 0 degrees Celsius. My bad, them bad mind, envious.
How do you read a crowd in a party?
Alright, I think I have a natural talent for music where my body language always speak the crowd body language. However, my body language at the same time can speak each individual. So what I like to do is, in a creative way, I would select different genre or different topics of music and then watch the crowd reaction, and then we can decide to, alright, them 3 topic here, them 3 genre here, I just juggle in between. Like every 15 minutes I touch out, like it's either me use like remix for transitions and then something that for make it look all over the place and make it look more put together.
Time flies when you're having fun.
We'll be back with more
Right after this break.
It's now time for our food segment, Pond the Fire, and we're here checking out the food at the Princess Hotel and Resort in Green Island, Hannibal. Trust me, it's delicious.
What exactly can we find when we come here for a vacation?
Well, when you come at the Princess, of course, this is a very big resort. It's one side adult and one side family, but combined with the 2 resorts, we have over 21 food outlets. Basically, we cover 24 hours, 24/7 operation with the offering of culinary from the coffee shop, open 24/7. We have also the sports bar, open until 4 a.m. in the morning, serving alcohol and food. And then after that, you're still having the coffee shop. And then in the morning, we're starting with the breakfast. And then the nighttime, a la carte, of course, we have the restaurant. We have Italian, we have a Mexican, we have a fusion, we have a sushi, we have a teppanyaki, we have also the platinum offering the different buffet with the different dinner in the night. Soon we are going to launch actually at adults platinum. We will launching the French menu, will be exclusivity for the platinum guest. So I will say we cover a lot of it, everything. Also during the daytime, we have actually the food trucks that offers a lot of Jamaican foods. Of course, we are in Jamaica, we cannot miss with the Jamaican foods, right? Which is a very good good food, you know, jerk pork, jerk chicken, festival, patties, you know, and it's very popular, of course, great food. And then we have also reefs, which is another addition next to the water park. There is also a mini buffet with a bunch of variety of different food, from the Italian, all mixed, continental, international. So I will say overall we literally cover every angle and every corner of the world, bringing to the resort. So for me to say that we offer everything is amazing, because once you come here as a guest, you will experience all the different culinary nationality.
You have so much Jamaican offering inside the food markets. Was it strategic?
I will say strategic, because one thing that I really realize also that we do have a lot of Jamaican clientele, which makes me very happy, because also I can see that Jamaicans are experiencing what is a resort day or day pass or night pass or 3 days or 4 days, which is very good. I will say for sure strategic, but at the same time, let's not forget that Jamaica food is one of the top 20 international food in the world. So nonetheless, we are very proud of the offerings, because Jamaica food represents a lot in the international scene. You can find the Jamaican food anywhere in the world. And I travel the world, and I can assure you that I find the Jamaican food everywhere.
Dancing has been a part of Jamaican culture for centuries, and I love to dance. And speaking of dancing, this week in the Fiwi Culture segment, dancer Shelly Belly shows us his moves. Listen up!
Shelly Belly, mash up in and up, mash up in and up. Your energy, I get hot up in and know you want the key for dancing and you want to be and no one if I...
Shelly Belly, welcome to the program, my general. And we can't say Fiwi Culture and Jamaican culture, entertainment culture, and Shelly Belly name in the mix. How much years now you have in the game, my boss?
26 years now.
26 years, so from 99 till now.
That me I talk about.
What keeps you going? Because you're still active, you're still a staple in dancehall culture. What keeps you going after all these years?
Determination. Very determined. Love what I do. My legacy are the biggest thing in a dancehall right now, so I have to do what I have to do.
And what are some of the dances where Shelly Belly boss? What some of the dances you bring to the road? From then till now?
The greatest thing, you know. Shelly Belly. The first dance.
Shelly Belly.
Shelly Belly.
Another one, another chain one there. Okay.
Remember, you know, Bogle first dance move our Bogle. Shelly Belly first dance move our
Shelly Belly.
We learn from the best. Big up John Hype anyway. You hear that?
And what are some of the other dances where you're known for? Some of move them where you know say you move them there.
Shelly Belly create the most dance. Too much. Too much. Our day my name out 26.
We're going to touch upon a bit of history right now. Zane, we're there in your community right now, off Linders Road. Are you say you're originally born and grew up? Or you're a countryman who come at town?
Alright, you know the thing, you know. I born at St. Mary. But I reach them places when I one.
Yeah.
So Jamestown is like my hometown. Right here, so I learn all skill. Right here, so it's like say a college. Dancehall college. Right here, so you get the most knowledge. The youth them we are run dancehall right now in a dancehall. Right here, so them forward from. You hear that?
Chip in the chop, energy kid. Chip in the chop, air accord. Chip in the chop. Yo, Teddy Love, terrific, the whole city will laugh.
When you realize, yo, I can actually be a big dancer and even turn it into a career. When was that moment, if you can recall?
Can't forget that moment there still, you know. That moment there, I was bust the dance move when he named Shelly Belly. Me used to have a bridge named George Street. And him, for one, let me go Norman Manley High School. And him, for one, make
I met the link with Janai because I'm father when named Paji. Did pass off. But him used to coach Janai how to play football.
Okay.
So Janai get to know him son that a George Strait that are my pigeon.
Yeah.
Respect George Strait, but you see the day when I go about Shelly Belly. And so I know say I have to respect that youth there from my heart, even to the day, because it's hard, you know, for certain man can talk the truth from them heart, you know. And George Strait do it.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you, say, I look up to him as a young mentor. Yes, when I bust the dancer named Shelly Belly, George Strait look for me and say Shelly Belly. And you are the man now, you know. I can't believe when him said that to me.
Style me, them no wicked like a me. Like me, but guani, and me black the city, them no bad like a me. Like me.
Man, as I respect my general, keep up the good work. And remember, God on time, yeah?
God on time.
That is
a brand new dance name, Afro Walk.
Sure, give them peace.
In medicine, one size never fits all. From the newborns to the elderly, care must be tailored to life's unique stages. And the same goes for our furry friends.
Now it's time for our true tip of the week. Have you ever wondered why puppies, adult dogs, and senior dogs should not be eating the same formula? Dr. Patrick Craig tells us more, so listen up.
Feeding by life stage, why puppies, adult dogs, and seniors should not be eating the same formula?
Well, it's a very simple answer to that question, and let's just try and break it down for you. So, at different life stages, different physiological stages of the animal's life, they require different nutritional content in their feed. So let's take it from the puppy stage. Puppies are young, they're fast growing, they need a lot of protein in their diet, they need fat, they need energy, lots of calories. Those animals need to be fed on average 4 to 6 times daily in smaller portions because their stomach is very small, so they can't really take in a lot all at once. Their bones are developing at a rapid pace. So what do they need for that? They need lots of calcium and phosphorus, what older dogs don't need. So the nutritional content of their feed must be different. Now, if you feed puppies on diets formulated for adults and seniors, those puppies are going to be stunted. They do not grow very fast. They do not grow any at all because it does not have the protein, the energy, the calories, calcium and phosphorus that they need to grow properly. Now, if you take the adults, those are dogs maybe anywhere from a year, 2 years, up to about 5 years, depending on the size of those animals. They need everything in balance, so you can't give them too much, you can't give them too little. They need a balanced diet with protein, energy, all the minerals, nutrients, and fat. If you feed them on puppy feed, obviously they're going to bulk on too much weight, and then that's not going to be good enough for their joint. Then you start having other problems, joint problems. If there are breeds that are predisposed to like dysplasia, hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, you have another problem on your hand. So True has different type of formulas. You have specifically formulated for puppies with the right amount of proteins, and the ingredients that we use inside there are very dog friendly. We have formulations for adult dogs and for seniors. And we're also looking in future of adding new products to the product line. Well, the bottom line again, I will always say, have a good relationship with your vet, contact the vet, know exactly what to feed, how much to feed. You don't want to be overfeeding or underfeeding, because both of those things will bring additional problems, and then you really need to be racking up your vet bill simply because you didn't consult with your vet initially. So always have a good relationship with your vet and know exactly what to feed, and let your vet decide based on body condition what's the right amount for your dog.
And that's how we come to the end of another episode of Pree Show. I'm Esther Moore.
I am Troyan Anderson. And I'm Nastasia Houghton.
Until next time, walk good. Vox Pop segment.
31st stages.